hate to say the word, but the Japanese coach has... Oh! Good attempt. Unlucky, Hannibal. Hate to say the word, but the Japanese coach has aura. He does. He does. No, I'm not against the word not being used at all. No, I'm for it being used in its correct context. For what actually is legit aura. Not just, oh, look, he's got a bit of a look. He's got aura. Do you know what I mean? That Japanese coach is, look, confidence plus discipline equals aura. It's as simple as that. If you can display that you have a level of discipline and you're showing confidence, you will ooze aura. If you look like a bit of a badass and you're confident, you have aura. Hervé Renard has aura. Here comes Japan. Japan has aura. It looks like here comes Japan. Ball on the left-hand side. It's going on. No, it's 1-0 Japan already. Oh, my goodness. Defending from hell for Tunisia. Defending from hell. It's 3.5 minutes, lads. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Unbelievable. It's 1-0 to Japan, guys. Ah, this is going horrifically wrong for Tunisia so far. Look at Hervé Renard. He can't believe what he's seen. He's like, I just come here to this, sir. I told you how to defend. Oh, no. Unbelievable. I mean, look, so if we go to the replay, the ball on the left-hand side, he's in space, but the defender tracks him down and he still allows him to go past. How can you do that? Oh, I have to say, though, the goal scorer, who scored? He's in between 4 Tunisians. How the hell has he got that? Oh, no, that defender in front of him got nutmegged. That's despicable defending. That is despicable defending. So the defender was in front, right? The defender was in front of Kamada, and it still went through his legs and got to Kamada. How the hell do you allow that to happen? That's unbelievable. That is shocking, shocking, shocking defending. Oh, wow. Hervé Renard's looking like, why did I come here? No, but hang on. At halftime, Hervé Renard's going to give them the halftime speech of their lives, and then they're going to come back out as a normal team. Unless Japan get the second here, I think it's oh no. Oh my God, he took that on the volley. Yo, I didn't ask for Shaolin soccer here, you know. I didn't ask for some next ninja moves up in here. That's outrageous. Holy crap. Ball over the top, and he's somehow just taking it on the volley on his left foot without even seeing where the ball's coming from. Yo, Japan are on smoke. Japan are on smoke. Unreal. And I was shocked. I used to hear fantastic things about Tunisia. I went there, and I'm like, what the hell's happened here? Like, I couldn't believe it. Oh, 2-0! It's a shot from distance, and it's gone straight into the bottom corner. It's 2-0 to Japan. This is a wrap. Tunisia wrapped up. Tunisia done out here. That was a shot, I think, from about 25 yards out. Beautiful strike. Beautiful strike. What a goal. What a goal. Ayasi with the shot. Hervé Renard's realised how big of a job this is. He actually has. His face says it all. His face is like, I do not believe this. What is this, sir? Look at this shot. Look, he's got all the time in the world. He's not being closed down. You see, this is the problem I had with Algeria, bruv. How are you not closing him down? Why are you ball watching? Why are you ball watching? Taoubi has allowed him, he's a defender. Taoubi has allowed him to take about 6 or 7 steps forward, and he's ball watching. I'd sub him off instantly for that. Instantly. Ayase. Sorry. Ayase. That does sound more Japanese, I'll be honest. Ayase. Ayase with the goal. Unreal. Yeah, Tunisia have got a mountain to climb. The Japanese build-up is so much more efficient, man. So much more efficient. They know exactly where they're going. They know exactly what pockets of space to run into. They know exactly where to move. And they win the ball back so easily. Pay attention to that. Look at how easily Japan win the ball back. Oh, that's unlucky. That's an unlucky pass. They've won it back. There we are. I just said. Shot from distance, good block. Here is Chouette. And a foul. Free kick Tunisia. Man, honestly. Yeah, you're right. Remember, this is a Japanese team missing their best player, Mitoma, because of injury. They've got 4 players out. It's not mentioned here, unfortunately. But yeah, Mitoma's out. Endo is out. Minamino is out. Someone else. There was 4. I forgot. But yeah. Kubo. Kubo's out. Five seconds, exactly. That's how long Tunisia can keep the ball. Only 5 seconds. It's ridiculous. Thoughts on the Almiron red? Look, I've not necessarily got a problem with the Almiron red, right? Necessarily, because look, the rule was made before the World Cup. If you cover your mouth and you do this, you're getting sent off, right? We saw what happened between with Vinicius and the Benfica player. I forgot who it was. And I actually said at that time, look, don't cover your mouths. Anyone covers their mouth, they should be sent off. I said that, and they actually implemented the rule, so I'm cool with it. My problem isn't Almiron getting sent off. That's fine. Messi did the same thing and nothing happened. That's something we only saw later. Messi done this, and if you're going to bring in a rule, bring in a rule for everyone. Do you know what I mean? So, oh, what a flick! What a flick! He's in. 3-0. There it is. There it is. That flick on was filthy. I want to see who did that flick. Who got the assist? That assist was ridiculous. I'm telling you, that... I don't even know what it was. Was it a back heel? Was it what? Look at Renars is watching the screen now. He's given up. He's like, I'm gonna leave. You lot are not worth it. Look at this. Ball in. Oh, I love that pass. Oh, I love that pass. That was executed to perfection. Aito with the goal. That assist, that's a world-class assist. That is a world-class assist. If you know, you know. The vision and understanding for you to do that. He put it right into his path as well. Who? I need to read the name. He deserves to be read out. It's Ayase. It's Ayase. It's the one who scored the second goal. Ayase. Man of the match for me. Man of the match. With that second goal from distance and that assist, I'm sorry, you get man of the match easily. Easily. Beautiful. We're in another hydration break. Ito. Oh, so I said it right the first time. I got told it was Ito. Okay, it's Ito then. I was right. Thank you very much. And they've done absolutely nothing. To be fair, though, this was kind of predicted at the beginning of the tournament. Do you remember what I said about Tunisia? When it comes to the tournament, they don't show up. Happens every time. This tournament is the worst that I've ever seen them. Easily. I've never seen Tunisia this bad. I've seen them bad. I've seen them go to tournaments and they look average. They've not looked average. They have stunk up the place. They have capitulated and failed fully. So I think the prediction was always there. Oh my God, look at that. I mean, they've just given it away. Just shocking. Look at the through ball past 4 defenders. Ball in, he's by himself. Oh my God. End it. Please just end it. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. I'm not even Tunisian, I'm embarrassed. Holy crap. Did you see how that header went in? The ball dinked and took about a year and a half to make its way into the corner. And no. Holy crap. No, he's by himself. Look at that. Oh my goodness, man. He's floated it in. And there's 2 defenders and not one could... Look, he sent the defender into the net. This is embarrassing. I'm actually embarrassed. For Tunisia. It's exactly that. It's a humiliation ritual. Oh my God. Holy crap. It's Ayase again. Man of the match, easily. End the stream, Dave. End the stream, Tunisia. End football. Don't tell me there's a 5th on the way. Please don't tell me there's a 5th on the way. Oh my God. There might be a 5th on the way, guys. There might be a 5th. You thought the Netherlands stat padded earlier on. Japan have only gone and done the same thing. Japan might top the group. Japan might actually top the group now. I think the goal difference is the same. Yeah, it is. Netherlands and Japan both on the same goal difference. Head to head, they finished 2-2. So between those two, it's going to come to goal difference. Who gets the most goals? Now, the Netherlands play Tunisia, and Japan play Sweden. So my expectation is that the Dutch are going to do it. But this is... Tunisia, man. Tunisia, you've been... I knew you would be bad. I didn't think you'd be this bad. My expectations for Tunisia were low. I didn't think they would show up for the tournament. But I thought they would at least get off the plane. You know? This is really, really bad for Tunis. Really bad.